Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bring the address bar to the top of the page on Safari on your iPhone running iOS 15. Since iOS 15 update, Safari has been given a makeover, and part of this makeover is the address bar location. To change that location, go into your Settings app, then tap on Safari, then scroll down and find the tab section. Select single tab. Now go back into your Safari and you'll see the address bar has been moved back to its original position at the top. And that is how to bring the address bar back to the top of the page on Safari running the new iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it means a lot, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for the next video. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.